Welcome again to Piano Lessons with Godfrey. My name is Godfrey. So in today's tutorial we'll be looking at the minor key and the major key. Some people think a minor key is totally different from a major key. A key is not totally different from a major key. The thing is, a minor key is taken from a major key. You just go a minor third. This is very simple, but I will show all these things in this video. Stay tuned, watch the video until it's finished. Minor key is divided into three. There's a natural minor, harmonic minor, melodic minor. Natural minor key starts from the 6th degree of the major scale, meaning from your number 1, you count 3 steps back to get your minor third. From your number 1, you count 3 steps back. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3 to get your number 1 of your minor. So our number 6 becomes our number 1. This is our number 6. Okay, let me start by playing the major chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the major chords. So we're saying our number 6 is our number 1 when we're playing in the minor key. So let me play the natural minor scale. So we're saying start from number 6. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our number 1. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the natural minor scale. So can we play the chords? This is our number 1. This is our number 2. This is our number 3. This is our number 4. This is our number 5. This is our number 6. This is our number 7. Back to our number 1, which is our number 8. So this is the natural minor. Look at the harmonic minor. This is the most used when playing in the minor key. So let me start by playing the minor scale, the harmonic minor scale. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sharp 7 or flat sharp 7, then to our number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sharp 7, number 8. Da, 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 da. So in the harmonic minor, our number 5 is always major. Our number 5, make sure your number 5 is always major. So let me show you the chords for the harmonic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to number 1. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to number 1. So if you were to play a song, let me look at the song. So now let's look at the melodic minor. Let me start by playing the scale. So when you play the melodic scale, you play the melodic scale when ascending, then you play a natural minor scale when descending. Da, 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 da. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sharp 6, sharp 7, back to number 1. Then you descend using the natural minor scale. So this is the natural, this is the melodic minor. So this one more thing, the relative minor. A relative minor, you count 3 steps forward. So from your major, you count 3 steps forward. 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is B flat. So you play B flat major scale. Usually, they use the relative minor when ending songs. Let me make an example of one song. There's this song. So let's end it using the relative minor. It's a so we used number 6, 7, back to number 1. 6, 7, 1. So it's the scale is. So we use number 6, 7, and back to number 1. So we can even use the minor endings, which I will talk about later on in my next tutorial. So let's play the song. watching this video up to this far, and please don't forget to like this video and also click that subscribe button over that corner. Thank you so much.